I have the inside rein grabbed up. I don't pull him around. I just have contact on it. The reason I don't pull him around is that when I would try that with my hot horses, a lot of them will want to circle. Now I'm going to grab up here, and I'm going to stand directly up, flatten my back out, and mounting for me is a two-step process. The reason being, if he has an issue with seeing something in this other eye, I want it to be with my hand. If he was to buck off or explode off right here, well then I could simply step down and pull him around. So this guy, I hop on, he immediately starts moving. The second my butt touched the saddle, he starts moving. Okay, so you can tell it's not a horse that I've worked with, because we are definitely against that. Horses are creatures of habit. If you get on and go, before long they'll go before you get on. So the second my butt touched this saddle, it was like, okay, let's go. That's not what we want to see. So there we go. Whenever he stands still for a moment, good job. Now we're going to go to 5th grade. 5th grade is flexing, and the way that we're going to do that is we're going to check our steering wheel. And I'm going to slide this down, pull him around, pull him around, pull him around. Find his face, pull it to the seam of my jean in my pocket. I don't want you flexing to your cha-chas. I don't want you flexing in front of you, because later on in the program, whenever we move his shoulders, we're going to bring our hands in front of us. There we go. So him moving his feet tells you how sticky and resistant that steering wheel is. A lot of your gaited horses or English horses have been driven in a straight line, and there's not a lot of bending. Well, bending is super important, because bending is what moves the butt, and moving the butt is what gets us under control. Crossing up those back feet is what takes the motor away from a horse.